I miss school again. So, isn't this cool though? I don't know what happened. I didn't go to sleep, I guess. So, this morning, I checked the time. It was 4:30, and I was like, okay, my alarm's gonna go off soon. So I went back to sleep, and I guess my alarm never went off. I don't know what happened. Okay, anyways, I know I have not told, if you guys read this description, you already know about my second channel, but I have not told everybody else. I do have a second channel now. There's no videos on it, though. So, when I put a video up on there, I will tell you. So, that second channel, this channel is for vlogs, of course. The second channel is for extra videos, like my funny videos, whenever that happens. Then my dancing videos and everything else. Like everything extra that I want. Like when I make videos for like people like iJustine. Yes, iJustine's awesome. I do watch her. And Brittany Louise Taylor, I have made videos for her too. Like, it's like video responses. Those I could put on there too. And when I get into more of the comedy videos, then yeah. So, written in the stars, million miles away, million to the mean, oh, but I will never change, 'cause I'm on my way. This song came on so much my week in Kansas. Well, not this week, but you know what I mean. Spring break. So I'm about to finish my biology since I'm here. So yeah. Might as well take the Panapass off it. Hopefully I finish it. I just found Justin's official, his first, yeah, you guys all know. He's rapping Guess Whose part. Look at me now, Busta Rhymes part. Let me show you the video right now. Sorry. Yep, by Chris Brown. That's Justin's mom. I just screamed. Yep. You guys can see my curtains. See, there's Chris Brown. Yo, Mock Jean. Yo, fat sippin'. Yo, Lamborghini. Yo, stop missing. Yo. That shit like I could soup. Hey, I can get you in 10 years in 2 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my cool J. Where'd you get? Oh, that's his bodyguard. I left it all out. Miss Lamiani. And the suicide dolls. How come I can't get to these concerts though, dude? I'm getting paper. I think this is in Sydney. Yeah, Sydney, Australia. Oops, so sick. I was days on my. The since we talking about my. All you people say hi to it. Oh, here we go. You got this. You got this. Look, watch, everybody. Every time I get it, I gotta get it. How the heck? He must have really practiced. And he's moving around. He's moving around and rapping. Look, Crystal's like, oh my god! Yeah, this guy got skills. Have it. Look at me now. That's insane, though. Remember, everybody, he's white. And he's 17. If he can do it, maybe I can do it. I did not know Justin had that many skills. But he's Justin. Of course he has that skill. Oh, sexy. So, I'm already subscribed to it? What? I didn't know I was subscribed to this channel. Huh. Interesting. I'm already subscribed to it. Did not know that. That makes sense. Yeah. So, I think I'm gonna go to Ticketmaster and see if there's any. Oh my god. Man. I did not know I was subscribed. I'm gonna check. I did not know. Okay, remember Kid, Ronald. Man, I'm already subscribed to it. I didn't even know. Right here. Oh, I am. Oh, I always wondered what that was. And now I know. It doesn't. Oh, yeah. I don't even see his original videos. I don't even see. Huh. Interesting. I didn't even know. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go Ticketmaster. I was just like, oh, it's Ticketmaster, not Master Ticket. So I'm just gonna see what's coming out on tickets, cause I wanna go to a Kevin Hart thing because I love Kevin Hart. He is like awesome. Of course. I'm gonna see if they have any in Japan. Let's search Kevin Hart. Let's see. Really? But dude, I was just like, when Justin was rapping. So all you haters out there that think that Justin's just a pop singer, there's your proof right there that he's not. So, location. He's gonna be in New York tomorrow. New York again. He's gonna be in Phoenix. I don't think he's coming to. Yeah. I want. There's no more tickets. First time in Japan. No, sir. Well, I heard rumor that Justin is going to try and go to Japan. You know who's going to go to that concert? This girl. And guess who's going to record it for you guys? If I do record it, it will probably be on my second channel because, yeah. So it will be on my second channel, not my first one. Not this one. It will be on my second channel. Oh, he's coming to California again? 11. That's the day I leave. Right now, that's the only ticket I see, though. How do you change where you are? Like, I'll figure it out. I saw Ty. Oh, it's so hot. So hot. I was so happy. I was like, looking out this window. I was like, okay. I was looking out this window. Was like, okay. And I was like, oh, there he is. At first, I was like, I knew, and then he came closer to my house. I was like, that's not him. And I was going, oh, hot, sexy. Ah, man, I can't wait to see him tomorrow. Not through my window. It's a little stalkerish. At least I don't know where he lives. That would definitely be stalker. I can't have that because I talk to him. But I have the guts to be weird and crazy. It's different when it comes to guys with me. I bet if I probably never get the guts to talk to Justin ever. Like, okay, so one day did I tell you guys this? I think I did, but I'm gonna tell you. When I didn't tell you this. When I'm in front of a guy, when I am in front of a guy, like, I get butterflies, I get nervous, but I act a fool, like I usually do. Like, my friends, I'm like, but when I'm walking and I'm trying to talk to a guy without my friends, I'm like, like I almost talked to Ty before. I want to talk to him. I'm texting right now. So, where is my... I'm texting. But yeah. I'm not done, but I'm almost done watching all my subscriptions. I'm on this one, and all the pages go to this one. The worst part is that I also have to read a book, and I also have to do my geometry. So, after I'm done watching these videos, I'm gonna upload this video and then everything.